With mental photography, you will store information in your long-term memory 100% for life. You literally can't forget it. You'll be able to upload a book in your long-term memory in a matter of minutes, dramatically improve your lateral thinking and problem-solving skills. This process is so powerful, it will feel like you have read something 100 times over. And the best part is, you can do all of this in only a matter of minutes a day. You don't really have to be smart to do all this because everybody is born with these natural abilities. All you have to do is learn how to operate your inborn abilities. And you'll find out how embarrassingly simple all of this is after you've been taught the proven and tested step-by-step methods of exactly how to do it. The Zox Pro technique will help you absorb and fly through mountains of work by quickly photographing the material that you used to read through. Before you know it, you'll have so much spare time on your hands. You'll be starting work late and knocking off early to spend more time with your family, get together with friends, or just to enjoy some time to relax. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Well, that's not all, because you are about to discover how using mental photography can help you get the life of your dreams. Let me explain by telling you the rest of Richard Welch's story. Richard discovered that after using this process, you are actually opening up the pathway between your conscious and subconscious minds by mentally photographing books and information. Your subconscious mind is the part of the brain that, when you learn how to operate it properly, is absolutely unlimited. This is the hidden secret in the classic book by Napoleon Hill called Think and Grow Rich, and ironically, the movie The Secret. In plain English, you can learn how to harness the unlimited power of your subconscious mind automatically by mentally creating anything you desire. Simply by using mental photography, you are actually turbocharging the part of your brain that works with the secret law of attraction to put your powers of manifestation 100% into hyperdrive. In layman's terms, we are handing you on a silver platter an exact, scientifically proven, step-by-step process that you can use to attract all the things that you have ever wanted in your life. Some people have good things programmed in their mind, which means they attract good things into their life, while others have negative things programmed in their brain, which means they get negative results, and they are completely confused as to why they keep having bad things happen to them over and over again. Isn't it time you learned how to break these limiting habits so you can stop victimizing yourself? The fact of the matter is, your brain is totally programmable and completely unlimited. So what that means to you is, you can take over the controls and reset the dials in your noggin to put you on course to achieving literally anything you desire. The best part is, we will show you, step by step, exactly how you can do all this for yourself. Why wouldn't you want to train your brain so your memory is razor sharp? Achieve maximum concentration, relax and reduce stress at will, reduce the amount of sleep you need and wake up with more energy than ever before. Facilitate renewed health and wellness of your mind and body. Awaken your intuition. Shatter negative thought patterns and limiting beliefs forever. Dramatically improve your self-esteem and gain unlimited confidence. Harness the secret power and achieve major success in life. And what about becoming increasingly happier? The best part is, all these things previously mentioned literally just skim the surface of the amazing things you will soon discover.